Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. I hope you all are well and subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. Guys, today I'm going to unboxing this router. Here you can see this is a D-Link router. The model of this router is D-Link DIR 615 and this is a N-split router. 5 dBl long range. Also this router has fast Ethernet port, WPS and repeater mode. With this router you will get 3 years warranty. At this side here you can see the feature of this router: IEEE 802.11n/z wireless, fast Ethernet port 1 and LAN, support wireless encryption, Wi-Fi protection setup, UPnP support and repeater mode. At this side of this box here you can see the origin of this router is China. And this side here you can see the minimum requirement of this router. You will get one router, one power adapter, one Ethernet cable and a quick install guide inside this box. Now friends, let's unbox this router. First I am going to cut the plastic. Friend, I have another D-Link and TP-Link router video on my channel. If you want, you can see the video. You will find the video link in this video description. So I am going to open the box now. Here you can see all documents and exercise of this router. So here is one D-Link product leaflet. Here is D-Link router quick installation guide. This is the D-Link warranty and safety information paper. And here you can see the router and its power adapter. So first I like to show you the router power adapter. This is made in China. Here you can see the model of this switch adapter is S06AM6. Input power is 100 to 240 volt, 50 or 60 Hz, and input volt is 12 volt, 0.5 ampere, ITE power supply. Under the router here you can see one Ethernet cable. There is nothing at the box. So here is the router. This is a double antenna router and the body of this router made with plastic. At this side here you can see some ventilation gap. At the left side and the right side here you can see some ventilation gap which will keep this router cool. At the back side here you can see the router model, default router IP address, username and password. On the right side, router MAC address, WPS pin and serial number. Input power 12 volt, 0.5 ampere, and this is made in China. On this side here you can see the router has one physical reset button, one internet or one port, and 1, 2, 3, 4 LAN port. And here is the router power port. So now I'm going to plug in this router with the power source and connect with internet cable. So now I'm going to connect the router with the power. Here you can see the router power light is now turned on, but the internet and Wi-Fi light turn off. Now I'm going to connect my router with the optical fiber media converter with the LAN cable. After connection, here you can see Wi-Fi light now turn on. Let me show you closer. Here you can see the power and Wi-Fi indicator light now turn on, but internet connection light now turn off because I did not configure this router yet. Now I'm going to configure this router from my laptop. First, connect your laptop with your D-Link router Wi-Fi. Here you can see that D-Link router Wi-Fi name is showing. Just connect with it. Okay, it's now connected, but no internet is showing. Now open your browser and go to this IP address. You'll find this IP address at the backside of your router. After that, you will see this type of page. Now from that connection type, select your own connection type. For me, the connection type is PPPoE. After that, submit your username and password, which will provide to you by your internet service provider company. So now I'm going to provide my username and password. You can check account validity from here. From here you can set Wi-Fi name and password. After doing all this, click on save and connect. And here you can see it's now connected. If I go to my YouTube, okay, the internet worked perfectly. Guys, after set up your router and provide your username and password, you may find no internet connection. If you face this kind of problem, then you can see my previous video on this topic. You will find the video link in this video description. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are, click on the like button, subscribe this channel for more tech videos. If you have any question or comment, please comment below. I'll try my best to give your comments reply. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.